For more than 50 years, Polyvision E3 ceramic steel has proved to be the ceramic steel surface of choice globally due to its high durability and superior cleaning ability. Today, more than 80 lakh ceramic steel writing boards have been produced worldwide and are used by more than 25 crore students every day. A state-of-the-art manufacturing process results in a product that is smooth, hard, impermeable, scratch-free, chip-resistant, extremely durable and environmentally friendly. Polyvision E3 ceramic steel also boasts of a long lifetime and cradle-to-cradle certification. A genuine E3 ceramic steel writing board comes with a protection foil. This foil should be removed and it is advisable that you clean the board with water before initial use. An engraved E3 ceramic steel in the lower end of the board signifies the authenticity of the Polyvision E3 material. Through rigorous testing, E3 ceramic steel has continuously and successfully established its excellence. Used as either a chalkboard or dry erase marker board, the glossy or matte surface has proven to be a unique writing surface with simple, effortless erasability. Built with a steel base, magnets can be easily attached to the board and removed without any impact or damage to the surface. E3 ceramic steel is impervious to solvents, acids and chemicals. Scientific tests show that the surface remains unaffected even after extended contact with any corrosive liquid or solvent. Paints or stains do not penetrate the ceramic surface. Simply use solvents or cleaning agents to remove any stains with ease. Polyvision E3 ceramic steel is also fire resistant. Ordinary knives, keys and other hard metal objects cannot scratch the surface, enabling the E3 ceramic steel surface to be resistant to vandalism or unintentional damage. The E3 ceramic steel surface is also resistant to spray paint as the durable surface prevents permanent stains that can be easily removed with simple solvents. Even permanent markers can be easily removed with simple solvents. An unclean or dusty board can be cleaned effortlessly by spraying with water and wiping it clean. In order to address the various preferences of people across the world, Polyvision offers E3 ceramic steel in different surface finishes and colors. The products are available in white, light grey and beige colors, with low, high and ultra gloss finishes, recommended for use as dry erase marker boards. For chalkboard use, products are available in green, black, grey and blue colors in ultra matte finish. Polyvision also has a product line that is used with interactive boards, which is a projection surface. Unlike powder-coated, painted or varnished surfaces, the E3 ceramic steel surface never blisters, peels, lifts off, cracks or deteriorates, retaining its flawless properties for life. Versatile and designed with functionality in mind, E3 ceramic steel can be screen printed with specific graphics to add functionality or aesthetics. Backed by its friendly customer service and industry knowledge, Polyvision offers E3 ceramic steel through their distributor and dealers network across India. Should you be interested in Polyvision's E3 ceramic steel, please feel free to contact us.